Hi all. Welcome to bacareers. Business Analysis for Beginners. SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle is a framework having defined a set of activities performed in phases for developing a software application or a software product. There are different SDLC methodologies like waterfall, agile, spiral, RAD, iterative development etc. What is SDLC? For now, we will try to understand two popular SDLC methodologies, waterfall and agile. Still, so many companies are using waterfall methodology. And nowadays, most of the companies are looking for agile methodology, because in agile, less documentation will be there and easy to understand. First, we will observe the waterfall methodology. We will discuss agile methodology in the coming video. The below are called as phases in waterfall methodology. Let us discuss in detail what is waterfall methodology or model and what are the phases in waterfall model. Requirements gathering. This is the first phase in the software development life cycle. Generally, project manager and senior business analyst will participate in this phase. In this phase, we will identify stakeholders of the project i.e. technical teams, testing teams, customer team and other dependent teams, technology that will be used in the project like programming language, front end, back end, which technology to use like Java or .NET, database, hardware requirements, software requirements, high-level test approach, high-level effort and cost required for the project, high-level schedule, project approvers, high-level assumptions, identify possible risks. We will discuss these things and document them. The phase deliverable artifact is called project charter or BRD, business requirements document. Requirement analysis. In this phase, we will start discussing in detail the high-level requirements which we gathered in the previous phase. Business analyst, project manager, technical team, architect, network engineer and database team will participate in this phase. We will conduct multiple meetings to understand the requirements like interview, JAD sessions and brainstorming. We will use the activity diagrams, UML diagrams and flow charts to make the document clear. Usually, requirements gathering is done through meetings, phone calls, emails, and virtual meetings. Once the document is prepared, it will be reviewed with project stakeholders. We will freeze the requirements and take sign off from the customer. The analyze phase deliverable artifact is called FSFRS, SRS, RTM design. First, based on the requirements, we will identify and devise the flow of data in the application. Tech leads architect, DB architect, network architect and UI designer will participate in the design phase. Design phase will have HDD, LDD and ADD, high-level design document, low-level design document and application design document. We will determine how many tables are needed. How are tables connected? What is the expected load on the database? And all. Followed by we will go to table level mappings, defining each field, like length of field, restriction for the field, unique IDs and validations etc. We will do requirement mapping to design, i.e. to ensure all the requirements are covered in design or not. We will document the design of application and review with architects and we will take sign-off on the design document. Development and coding. In this phase, developers will start coding the functionalities. Developers will create unit test cases and perform unit testing. Tech leads will do code review once the build is complete. The build will be submitted to car team for testing. Testing team will prepare their test strategy after the requirements analysis phase. Based on the test strategy and requirements document, the testing team will create test cases. Test cases will be prepared before the test phase so that after the development and coding phase, testing team can start executing test cases. If there are any defects or bugs found, the testing team will assign it to the development team to resolve. Developers will fix the defects and again give it to testers. This cycle will go on till all the defects are resolved and the application is bug-free. Testing team will publish a test report at the end of the testing phase and they provide sign-off. Once we receive internal sign-off from the car team, then we will release it to client for testing. UAT, user acceptance testing is called UAT. In this phase, customers or the business user will test the application functionality. Customers will write UAT test cases and execute the cases. If there are any defects found, they will communicate to the business analyst or project manager. They will verify whether it is genuine bug or functionality gap. If it is genuine bug, then they will ask the testing team and they will assign this defect to the development team to fix the bug. Once all the UAT cases are executed, the customer will provide sign-off on the UAT. Deployment go live implementation. In this phase, the test application will be deployed in a production environment for live usage. After implementation, the project team will do a round of high-level testing to ensure everything is working perfectly. Customers will do validation in the production environment and give sign-off if everything is working. Support and maintenance. After implementation, the warranty period starts. There will be agreement with the customer and project team on the warranty period. Like 3 years, 5 years from the day of implementation. During this period, if there are any issues, the project team will take care of the issues. Usually, the production support team will take care of production issues. If they are unable to look into the issues, then they will raise a ticket and assign it to business analyst, then he will verify and assign it to the development team to fix the issue. After the warranty period, maintenance will start. It means, any changes or issues found after warranty will be taken care of at additional cost and time. This is how software applications are built and maintained in waterfall methodology. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark. I hope this article helped you to provide overview on what is SDLC. As a business analyst, we need to know what is SDLC and what are the phases involved in SDLC. If I miss out anything, please mention in comments, so that it helps us to cover in coming videos. You can click on the link below to get more articles. Happy learning. All the best. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.